This is this is the Devion Show. Devion Show. Devion Show. Special guest, Charles Martin. Hey, Devion. So, what's the topic for today?
Don't have a boyfriend that's younger than you. You think you deserve everything.
Ooh, she gay. So, Devion, do you have a boyfriend that's younger than you that think you deserve everything?
Yeah, I have a boyfriend that's younger than me. Yeah. Thinks he deserves everything.
Oh.
I say, give and you shall receive. Yeah, I give. Receive headaches.
Oh, shit. Damn. And this has been it on the Devion Show. Tune in next time.